We all wonder who may be sitting next to us in an airplane while on the way to the airport. Watch these airport passengers find out who was sitting next to them on the aircraft. On March 10th, 2025, the Savannah Hilton Head International Airport Police Department was called to the scene for reports that passenger.
I'm going to detain him right away and then get him off the plane.
Yeah. Do we even know how it started?
What?
Do we know how it started?
I don't know any more than probably you guys.
Yeah, I was curious.
I don't even know what the guy looks like or if it's a guy or I don't know. Ooh, there's a lot going on in there.
Shit.
So, yeah,
Go ahead. Open it.
Get the cops!
Stand back! Move! You're about to get tased, dude. You're gonna get tased! If you don't stop, you're gonna get tased! Let him go! You're about to get tased, dude. You're gonna get tased! If you don't stop, you're gonna get tased! She's gotta let him go. You gotta let him go.
Ma'am,
you have to let him go.
Let him go, ma'am.
Ma'am, let go!
Ma'am, let go.
Ma'am, let go!
Ma'am, let
Ma'am, let go!
go.
Let him go.
Ma'am, let go!
This has got 3 officers and a civilian with them. Hey, sir. Let him go.
Ma'am, let go!
She's been holding his hand throughout the entire episode. So they're together. They're together. No, she's been holding his hand. She's been holding him.
You have to get off of him. Ma'am. You have to let him go. Sir, are you okay, sir? Let him go. Ma'am, you have to let him go. You have to let him go, ma'am.
Tu m'as trahi. Regarde le blême sur ta porte. Tu nous as trahi. Non, monsieur. Pas faire ça.
You have to let her go.
Non.
Let her go.
Jamais d'avis. Que le sang de Jésus nous libère. Que le sang de Jésus nous protège. Que le sang de Jésus nous
Let him go.
Pardonnez-les, Seigneur, ils ne savent pas ce qu'ils font. Je les aime de tout mon cœur. Je t'aime de tout mon cœur. Mamie, je vais faire ça là. Connais-moi. Si tu as fait ça, Jésus. Pas quitter au premier. Pas quitter au fait ça. Mamie, je veux de tout mon cœur. De tout mon cœur, mamie. Pas quitter au premier de toi. Libérez vos mises au centre. Je ne suis pas capable.
Let's make sure this guy doesn't kick my officer.
What do you need?
I got this hand. Your cuffs.
Okay. You have to let him go.
I got his left hand.
This side's got the other hand.
I got his left arm. What do you want me to do?
You got to get her off. She won't let go.
Where's her other leg?
I got his left hand.
It's under the seat.
Okay, I've got her arm.
Her hands.
There you go. Get her.
La boule de Jésus-Christ.
There you go.
Get her.
Get her off.
Hold her leg. It's his leg.
His leg.
Let go!
He's got his hair.
He has her hair. You got that, Sergeant?
Eu vou bater essa badua. Eu desço da batida, cadê boa? Cadê uma boa? Ai, cadê boa? Vamos ver como é. O é pra mim essa batida. Eu perdi essa
Shot, her taser.
Deu a canar pro sapato.
Not her, too.
Not her, yeah.
Yeah, he's got her hair.
Yep.
I got.
I'm gonna tase him if he doesn't let go. Just get her restrained.
We got her.
Okay.
Just gotta get her off.
It's the hair.
Jésus-Christ va nous Michaud. Michaud, mandez Jésus-Christ va nous la délivrer. Jésus-Christ là, je tiens, Michaud. Nous venons sauver Michaud. Oh, pas vrai. Michaud, regardez debout.
All right, that's it.
Ah oui, pas bon,
You
on
screw
va
that.
dépasser du bonnet. Parce qu'on me m'a où, il me va ça. Sauver au Michaud. Pas quitter au fait ça. Michaud me connaît. Regardez me chérie. Regardez me chérie. Michaud.
All right, ready? Stand back.
Michaud.
Stand by for taser.
Michaud, regardez.
Aïe.
Grab her.
There you
Grab
go.
her.
Get him.
Seigneur, merci. Merci Seigneur. Je te dis, na.
Stop.
Oui, qu'on en fait nous bon sur la chérie.
Okay, I'm gonna hit him again. Stand by. Stand by. Taser, taser, taser.
Non. C'est pas capable de dire que pas capable.
Let go!
Non.
Let go of her hair!
Let go.
Ça top comme ça. Ça top comme ça. Ça top comme ça.
It's two.
Ça top comme ça, pas compréhensible. Ça top comme ça. Merci. Oh, please.
There you go.
Eu vou acabar, eu vou punir isso. Eu vou ali, Nina. Ana ali, Nina. Eu vou acabar.
Okay, there we go.
Nina, eu vou acabar. Eu vou ali, Nina, lá, pô. Nina, eu vou ali. Eu vou acabar. Nina, eu vou lá, pô. Eu vou acabar. Ele vai me ver.
It's 66. We need 2 pair of shackles down here if you can get them to us.
Grab that out.
Get one. Let's take one leg.
I got him over here.
Appreciate it.
I got all kinds of stuff.
Watch your hand, watch your hand.
All right, we got room to work now.
All right, probes. And those probes are in there, good.
Thank you.
Te bénissons en cette heure.
That's the one.
Oh, please.
I only have 2 probes. I don't know where that 3rd probe is. So I don't want anyone stepping on it if it's in the. It's a probe. You see these things here on the floor? There it is. Is that it? Let me have that. I don't want anyone to step on it.
That's it. You guys have an iPad or not?
Yeah, I had a knife.
These are his shoes. There's his phone and his wallet are in his shoes.
I think Bess has a knife, right?
No, I got a knife right here.
The one I was trying to use to open his
I
hand.
have my own knife.
That was, I think you put in
Well, you need to get him checked out there.
No.
That's what it looks like.
I'm just looking for something. Make sure we didn't drop it. Yeah, drop it. We're missing a knife. I want to make sure.
Yeah, I saw you take it out. I want to make sure.
And then I threw it over here.
You threw it over here?
Yeah, and I think my other partner got it though.
Yeah,
I just
because
want to make sure.
I saw you put it down, but I think someone took it.
Okay.
Hey, get your sticks up here so that way, well.
Don't swallow, don't swallow, don't swallow, no swallowing. No swallowing.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
Position up.
Go like this.
This is the real.
Like this.
When they're on the ground.
And then here's a video during landing of he was sitting like that, and then at one point he started kicking. He was like agitated, doing that. This is already after the episode. His watch is on the ground, like the chair's already kicked in, as you can see. And then this is kind of what was happening on the cruise.
Do you know? Do either one of them speak English?
No.
Because it sounded like, almost sounded like French to me, but I'm not 100% sure.
I know the lady speaks English.
Oh, she does?
Yeah, she was speaking English to me.
They didn't
She was
talk,
singing a
they didn't
song
talk
and-
to us on the flight.
She was singing a song in French, I think. So
Oh,
Oh, yeah, she
and,
I'm gonna take a guess. I think that was the anthem. I heard that on the Olympics one time.
Do you need their names? Because we have them here.
Yeah,
yeah, that would be great.
where were you guys flying?
We just
From here to Miami?
Yeah.
Oh, you guys, so they were here.
Yeah, they were perfectly calm. Literally, they put their stuff up. They didn't say anything.
So they were flying from here?
Yes, to Miami.
So did y'all even get in the air, or did y'all turn around?
We
on
had to
the...
turn around. It happened literally on timeout.
Wow. Okay.
Well, he was doing the rosary beads, or rosary, whatever. His gums were bleeding, weren't they? Okay.
So were you able to tell, was she part of it, or was he just hanging on to her?
No,
so hard?
they seem like they know each other. That's fine because they both
Yeah,
came
they
in
were
together, they were
traveling
traveling together,
Okay.
and she was, from what I saw, keeping him calm. She was holding his hand while he was going nuts. He was holding her hand, and she was chill.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
She
that's
did
what.
nothing in flight to help us.
No.
She didn't react to his outburst at all in any way. She didn't look up. She didn't reply to us. She did nothing.
Okay.
It was weird.
It was like
It
he
was
was having,
weird.
It was like you're
an
right, though.
episode.
He was saying it was like a mental episode, like he was saying something religious, like the whole time, like chanting,
And he was going,
and he wouldn't look
and
up.
he wouldn't look up. Yeah, he would have his eyes closed, like fearful, like he was afraid of something, like because if it was like just I'm afraid, and that's why I'm kicking. I just like everybody get the fuck away from me.
and yelling super loud enough for them to hear in the cockpit.
Yeah.
They heard.
Okay. And I missed the whole story, but you got kicked at some point.
Yeah, it was right before we got the door open. I told everybody to stay seated. I didn't know what he was going to do. He got up and
So was he looking at you when you kicked you, or was it just like a random kicking? And
No, he was.
He kicked the other
But he
foot.
was doing this. He was like,
swinging one arm and holding his wife with the other. He was like coming
Yeah,
towards
okay.
her like
and
this.
then I got cornered into here, and that's when he got me here.
Okay.
No, I think you said you need to stay seated. Something. I think you might have said
I asked
something.
everyone to stay seated.
Yeah, I think you said something about something, and that's when he started coming like
Yeah.
this, and with one arm.
because he started punching us over here. Once he got here, he's like,
I tried. I was like, sorry, you have to stay seated, and I knew he wasn't going to do it. And I was like, oh,
Yeah, I think it's
be ugly.
just a bit of a blurred feed through.
And then as soon as he got me here, then you guys came up and pulled him off.
Now, when he cornered you up here, were his eyes open, or was he still kind of eyes shut?
I don't.
These are their seats.
Is he, okay, so he was in this one.
8. Yep, and
she
she
was-
was in that one.
Okay. Now, when we got here, how did they get up to the front, or is that when he got up and went after?
That's when
her?
he went after her.
Okay.
I don't know his name. Tap him. Can you tell the officer how they came to the front? Because I was in the back, so I have.
Yeah, we pulled up and lights came on. She asked everybody to be seated with their seatbelts fastened. And then we stopped at the gate. Bong bong. She got on the phone, and then he took his seatbelt off and stood up. And then he walked to the front. As soon as he got off the carpet, he took a right and started swinging her.
Okay.
But he had his partner with him. His companion was real. He had his companion by one arm and just started whacking on her.
Okay. Was she in? He had her in front of him, or was she behind her?
He was in front of her. Yeah, and she was behind him in the aisle. And when he took a right, she kind of came up to the side of him and backed you into the corner.
Yeah.
And so she was just.
So was he like dragging her along?
She
but
had
was
his
it?
arm. She had her arm like under him, like her forearm was against his chest, and he was kind of holding it. So it was
Okay.
kind of like under her. And so she's kind of following him like this. And then when he took a right, she kind of went to his side. And then she went to the galley.
I didn't even realize she was there until I saw
She was right with him.
they were both on the ground.
Yeah, because he never let go of her arm. So
Yeah.
when we dragged him down, she came down with him.
Right.
Yeah.
I just saw him going like, this is hard as possible, and I was like, I'm about to get, yeah.
For someone that, you know, you see a flight moving, and when the plane moves a lot, the flight attendants calm, you're fine. You were calm. Like he was kicking you, and I looked at you, and you're like, this dude's calm.
Yeah, you were so
I'm calm.
Folks from the flight deck, the fueler just pulled up. Once again, our fuel on board the aircraft, we're all set up front, so we'll be on our way here very shortly. Again, thank you very much for your patience this evening.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.